Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome back. Again, I have come up with an interesting video on a chicken recipe. It is crispy chicken Indian style. So let's get started. After cleaning and draining the chicken, I've taken it to marinate. That's 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt as per taste. And there goes 2 tablespoons of curd, homemade curd. Do check out the above link to know how to make homemade curd with correct consistency and good texture. And then I added few drops of olive oil. It is optional. Finally coating the egg. Do check out the above link to know how to make chicken tandoori at home without oven. Cook it at least for 15 minutes in a medium flame. Do give it a try at home and let me know the feedback with some images if possible. And yes, if you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more healthy recipes. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.